Welcome to this week's edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. A healthcare redesign in the Netherlands is transforming how gestational diabetes is managed. A recent study shows that by optimizing care pathways, referrals to secondary care dropped by 84.8%, insulin use declined by 46.8%, and treatment costs fell by nearly 10%. Crucially, patient experience improved without compromising maternal or neonatal outcomes. Turning to type 2 diabetes, researchers have mapped 34 global clinical trials aimed at achieving diabetes remission through pharmacological means. 70% of these trials are non-industry funded, with most targeting patients diagnosed within 6 years. Treatments primarily include insulin, metformin, and GLP-1 receptor agonists. Experts are now urging more consistent definitions, longer follow-up durations, and robust registry updates to harmonize global efforts. In the field of reproductive endocrinology, a new biomarker for polycystic ovary syndrome has been identified. Alpha-1 antitrypsin was found at significantly elevated levels in women with PCOS and was linked to increased androgen levels and disrupted circadian rhythms. Animal models further support the role of internal clock genes in the disorder's development. Gene therapy is also making strides. A preclinical study involving primates shows promising results using GPX002, a gene therapy that reprograms pancreatic alpha cells to produce insulin. While improved glucose tolerance was observed, the therapy currently requires immunosuppression, and long-term studies are ongoing. In regulatory news, the U.S. FDA has approved Kindivi, the first oral hydrocortisone solution designed for children aged 5 and above with adrenal insufficiency. The 1 mg per milliliter formulation eliminates the need for refrigeration and complex dosing, offering parents a more manageable treatment option. Australia has approved a once-weekly injectable growth hormone therapy, Skytrofa, for children aged 3 to 18 with growth hormone deficiency. The new formulation reduces injection frequency, aligning with approvals already granted in the US and Europe. Meanwhile, IBM and Roche have partnered to launch AccuCheck Smart Guide Predict, an AI-powered mobile app that uses real-time continuous glucose monitoring data to forecast blood sugar trends 2 hours ahead. The app alerts users of potential hypoglycemia 30 minutes in advance, enhancing both day and overnight diabetes management. From Southeast Asia, Vietnam-based Davapharm has launched Imler 10, a new treatment offering blood glucose control alongside cardiorenal protection for patients with type 2 diabetes. The launch event spotlighted a growing range of advanced therapies aimed at better patient access and integrated care. Finally, the NIH has announced a novel diagnostic tool that could change how clinicians monitor diabetic foot ulcer risk. By measuring transepidermal water loss, researchers found a 35% recurrence rate among patients with high transepidermal water loss, compared to just 17% in those with lower values. The test could soon become a routine part of preventive care, shifting attention to skin barrier function as a vital diagnostic metric. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.